everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make another easy wallet, as a lot of people request me for a very easy one. So this fabric I have two, the different color that I use. This is 8.5 inch by 12 inches long. So now I'm using one of the side here, and I have the hidden bone interfacing. I cut it smaller than the fabric, and I'm gonna iron on the wrong side of the main fabric. You go ahead and peel the paper off. This is different than the other one. Turn this way. Place the other side on top of it, but then you leave it here about 3 inches or so you can inside out. So go ahead and 1/4 up and in, you're gonna sew all around. On this area right here, leave it open so you can inside out. Everyone, after I sew, I left it there about 3 inches. So now on this side, you go ahead and pull. Or go ahead and press all around, all the side here, everyone, and then after that you top stitch all around. Everyone, after I top stitch all around, this is super easy, just a few fold, everyone. I'm gonna fold it in half. I'm using this side to face out. Super hot here today too, all week this week. People out there, if your city, your state is hot, be careful. Take care of yourself and your elderly parent or neighbor. You're gonna fold. This is the center. You're gonna fold the end here 1/2 inch. Other side, same thing. The reason why I'm going to the other side because it's hot. I don't want to touch it when I first iron it down. 1/4 up an inch from the center here. About 1/4 up an inch on both. You're gonna bring this fold in like this. I'm not going to the fold. You do the same to the other side. Bring into the mark 1/4 up an inch. I'm gonna open it. Open it. You're gonna fold a triangle. Another side, and then these two. Same thing. Go to this side, do exact the same. I'm gonna bring this in here. When I bring it in here, you can see we have the space. This is the middle line. We have a little space right there. You see, when you fold, it's good. Everything is so even. Isn't that fabric is so beautiful? I got that from Walmart. I'm going to flip into this side. I flip into this side. I'm going to fold 1/2 inch on this end up. When you fold, you make sure you keep in this one too, like at the corners. I want to clip that down. So I'm gonna take this out. Same side. fold it in, so the 1/2 inch it go right into this pocket. Make sure it's lined up like that. Same thing to this side. And that's so pretty. Now it looks like this, everyone. I also cut the interfacing, the heating bone. It's the same length of this. Push all the way in. Now you have it in. Go ahead and iron it down. Right on the flap, the little thing right here. I like you to put the needle underneath, very close to here, not too far. Hide the dress under there, and then get that little thing here, stays together. Just 1 or 2 loop and then you're done. You don't need to do a lot. That's it. Do the other one. Isn't that easy enough? Do this side. Make sure you use your finger and push it in. And I scoop the little tiny triangle right here. Pull. So awesome. Make a loop. That is done. Now I'm gonna put that on. This is basically, it's so cute, isn't it? It's so adorable. I'm gonna put on the side, and I'm going to show you. I have the fabric right here, and I'm going to fold the 2 ends. I have a 1 inch by 2.5. The interfacing. Put this piece of interfacing inside. Super easy. Everyone on the side of the interfacing, I'm going to add one of the button on it. Get this. Go down a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the holes, and on this side too. I'm using this thin side of the button. You put the place on, the one that you use to put over and cut it. Put this down and then pull this thing out. So it's like this, everyone. So I need you to sew. Sew this side on the top, sew on the side, go on the bottom, go on the side. So sew everywhere here. Okay, so everyone, I sew in this one, the button on the side, and I sew the line around. So this is what it is, everyone. This side is facing out, is so pretty, and this one is facing in, like this. Isn't that so cute, so adorable, easy to make? And it inside here with the slot, and then inside here too. Here too. On the left hand here, right in the middle, I'm going to add this. Open this, and then you only sew this one in the pocket here. For some of you, if you want to make sure you sew it good, then you can hand stitch it before you sew it in. Just hand stitch around here, and then you go on the sewing machine and sew it in. And then also Okay. I want to share with you something. If it is so hard for you to sew, go ahead and go right next to the side here, slide the needle little at the time, and then you go into sew like this. Sew around, because I know it's gonna be so hard for you to put in the machine with just little thing like this. Go like this, go from here, go around. This is the side, the inside, and then when you fold it like this, after you sew in this flap in, you go ahead and move this over. Loose a little bit, you don't need to pull it like that, because when you put in something in there, so loose a little bit, not too much, and make sure it's straight up like that. Press so you can get the point. When you get the point, I have the place of the thing here, the button, do exactly the same. Super easy. Remember, only go into this pocket, not go through the other side, just this pocket right here. When the thing is get in the back here, I get the place, you can push it out like that. It's not going to do anything to you anymore. It's just like that. From the inside, go ahead and spread this out. Tear this off like this. Go to here, cover this, and ta-da, you're done with your wallet. Push this out. Got a lot of people. Okay, so this is you can use this for the inside. You can put the card in. That's one card. This is another card. And then in the pocket here, you can put another card, or 2, or 3, or 4. And then on this side, you can add some money in there. I asked Ethan the other day if you have some money for me to put, to show people how to put money in that thing, and he gave me $6. Okay, and then when you have it, you go and close it. Nothing fall out. Look at this, everyone. I love it. It is so cute. The fabric is adorable fabric. And look at the back side. This is for the inside, and then when you put everything in, you can close it here. Beautiful. This won't fall out. A lot of people are gonna say it cannot fall out. It's not. So cute, like that. I love it. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Just have this pocket right here, this pocket right here, this one in here, and then this one too, and also the 2 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Very pretty. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.